Hi, this is Max German Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. I'll meet or beat any eBay price, exact same item which should post this video. 2008 Honda Odyssey. Power steering pressure hose. The high pressure hose on top of the power steering pump. Changing the high pressure hose. Pretty straightforward. Basically, the tough thing is removing the hose from the rack and pinion. It's a 14 millimeter nut fitting that you have to remove. There's not a whole lot of room to work. You must get it from the top, so you have to remove the air box and the intake boot first to access the 14 millimeter fitting that goes to the rack and pinion. There's not a lot of room to work, so you got to be patient, take your time, and also threading it in, it has to go in at the right angle. That's tough also. This is a pretty tough job because there's not a lot of room to work, and you can't get any leverage, so it's going to take a bit of time. You just remove the two 10 millimeter bolts on top of the power steering pump, and then there's 3 brackets, all 10 millimeters down the line. It's all pretty straightforward, but the tough part and the time consuming part is getting to the 14 millimeter fitting that connects the high pressure hose to the rack and pinion. Get it at the right angle. Putting it in, you must have it at the right angle in order to thread. Be careful, do not strip it. You strip it and you've made major headaches for yourself. Take your time, make sure you're not stripping the fitting going into the rack and pinion. It's Max German Car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.